How's it going? Here's a little update on the shoebox. I don't know if I shared it. Picked up an engine for it. Was told it ran good. I'm gonna take his word for it and just slap it in. Yep, $600. Yep. I got the hood sitting over there. So this is kind of what I've been working on. I took all the trim. I just did a little spray on it last night. But I just kind of spraying it. It's not quite the original silver, but that's fine. It's just like a little metallic. Got some flake in there. I am painting on my garage floor. I don't care. Nothing a little gasoline or, paint remover. Can't take care of. Well, my 53 is now just a parts holder. But yeah, we got the dash painted as well. I got some pictures of it all. Looks pretty good. It's a nice little rattle can. Nothing special, but it looks nice. It's fine. What do we got? Yeah, just the the inside window frames. Oh. The other ones. Can't really see the flake in there, but it's in there. And oh yeah, here's another one. Yeah. The mirror. I just started sanding some rust off. I'm gonna leave it. It looks kind of cool. Yeah, so I live in fucking Washington and it's always raining, and as you can tell, my garage is an absolute disaster. Oh, it's fucking hitting the hood. Well, I put up this thing yesterday. And yeah, got some lights installed. So I was out here last night and just sanded down the fender. It looks kind of cool, but this old dog's gonna go flat black for now. Yeah, so I got the dash torn out. Started doing some Port 15 on the floors. It's pretty freaking expensive, but man, this stuff is super nice. I got some more because I'm gonna Port 15 this whole freaking thing. Man, on the backlight, you can't really see what's going on. I took the headliner off. Whatever they put in there, this whole thing was just rotting from the inside out. It's not horrible. There's just a lot of surface rust in there, but yeah, I did my best to keep everything intact because I don't really know what the heck everything is yet. You know, we're still just figuring it all out. Polish up the heater box. That'd be cool. Yep, we got a nice freaking solid floor now, I'll tell you what. Yeah, some of this dull stuff was the Rust-Oleum brand that you get from AutoZone and stuff. Don't do it. It's a freaking waste of money. Let's see, what else are we doing? Oh, this one, this is cool. Oh shit. Okay. So this windows didn't roll down, and look at that. Very nice. And then the wing windows. That's a pretty cool feature. But yeah, whole lot of freaking WD-40, and these things are butter. Yeah. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. So yeah, and as you can tell, the hood, the front grill, that's all off of the bumper. Yep. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the firewall or not. I don't know. If I was, I was thinking about doing the same silver that I'm using on the interior pieces. Yep. So where we're at here, rained on. Yeah, there's this awkward gap between the garage and this thing, but for the most part, it's keeping everything dry, so it's nice. It's really nice in the dark. Yeah, so now I got that cool little set up there to keep me dry, so I can be out here hopefully a little bit more. So, maybe a little more videos will come out. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I gotta repair the hood too. As you can see, the nuts and bolts broke off, and if it didn't break, the welded nut on the back broke off. So I had to break this off the hood, and it sucked. So this happened. Just taking the hood off, and rusty bolt flung a wrench in my glasses. Luckily I was wearing them, Yeah, I don't like to wear my safety glasses because they always fall off my face, and I don't know where those are. Yep. So I'll post up some pictures of what little bit of progress I've done, and this is the hole I cut out on the 53. You can still see where I bonded it together here, but man, never done body work before, but pretty happy with it, and still haven't even touched it back there. But yeah, it looks surprised. You know, I'm pretty surprised how decent it looks. Yeah, there's the sweet front end on the 50. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what we got going so far. So there's that.